Okay. Now, just a minute, guys. Yeah, everything is fine, friends.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. Now, what is that? How it's working now, guys? How it's working now? It's working as a, what is that, conditional condition. Just assume that we are taking one expression, condition question mark. We are taking, what is that, condition question mark. If this condition is becoming true, if this condition is becoming true, then true statement. If this one, what is that, true statement, right? If condition is becoming, what is that, if this condition is becoming false, then what is that, then false statement. False statement. Then what is that, false statement. False statement, right? False statement. And what is that, what is the sign of what is the sign of, what is the ternary operator now, guys? What is that sign of ternary operator? Question mark now. Question mark and colon, right? Come on. Question mark and
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
colon. But the question is,
Colon.
in interview, if you are sitting and if you are giving the, what is that, answer, first if else condition, interviewer will ask. Then sudden, if interviewer is asking what is the ternary operator, then definitely interviewer will ask what is the difference between simple if else and what is the ternary operator. Then what is the answer now, guys? What is the answer now, guys? Just tell me, guys. Just try it. Try it, right? Try it. Just try it, guys. Just try it, okay? Wrong answer also acceptable. At least if you guys are giving the answer, that is also fine for me.
So
Increase
ternary
performance.
Hmm?
ternary operator we can apply for only simple if else conditions.
Hmm. The normal question is, what is that, guys? Ternary only allowed, what is that, single statement. But if else allowed, what is that, multiple statement also. Just what is that? See, here, if single line statement is there, we can apply. But what is that, if else? But what is that, if else block is there? See how many statement inside that. Also we are taking the if else condition, one statement, this one also one statement, and another statement, right? Then else statement. Inside that, what is that, if simple if else condition, what is that, multiple statement, but we can write it. But what is that, in the ternary there is a no possibility. A possibility is there? There is no
No
No,
possibility.
no
possibilities.
possibility.
No possibility, right? If simple statement is there, in that we can apply it. But what is that, multiple statement? If in the else block, if else block, we can apply multiple statement as well as single also. But what is that, wherever our requirement is there, what is that, only single statement, then we will apply, what is that, then we will apply our what, ternary operator, right? Then we can apply the ternary operator. But if multiple statement is there to check the condition, then there is a no possibility to apply, what is that, ternary operator, guys. Ternary operator, as well as, of course, compared to if else condition, ternary operator is, what is that, faster. Ternary operator is faster, because here, what is that, this is a single line, and there the compiler having, what is that, more burden, because that compiler will check, what is that, multi lines, right? Multi lines. But here, what is that, only single statement is there. So definitely this one is giving more performance than if else condition. Come on. Hmm?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Mm.
Ravi.
Now fine, guys. So same, like, based on that same question again I'm asking. Now I given some clarity about that, like ternary operator. I given, what is that, little bit what, clarity about ternary operator. Then now again I'm asking one more interview question. Now finding, what is that, finding big 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 in, what is that, two number. big in two numbers, right? Two numbers using what is that? Ternary operator. Ternary operator. Guys, how we can do it? Yesterday I explained already this one. Yesterday a day, last weekend. I think yesterday itself only, right? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now guys,
Yes, sir.
now okay, don't worry about that, guys. Okay, if you guys are not able to give, I will give it simple, but the thing is, please focus on the session now, guys. Now what is that? Simple, guys. Just what we have two value, right? Two value. Let's take a colon number. I'm taking what is that? A colon number, right? Number equal to 10. Now let's take where b equal to number, where b equal to number equal to 20. Again, these two numbers I'm taking. But what is that? Our requirement is what? What is that? Find big in what? Two numbers. What is that? Using ternary operator.
Ternary operator.
Ternary
Yes.
operator. Yesterday we did what is that? Using if else condition. But today our requirement is what is that? Apply ternary operator and find out the solution. Now. So how we can do it now? Simple, guys. Nothing more extra need to do. What is that? We don't need to give the burden of our brain, right? Just simple. The same logic we will apply here. What is that? Console dot log, but I will show them problems also. Now I'm taking what is that? A now
greater than B.
greater than B. A greater than B.
Question
Now
mark.
question mark.
Question
Now
mark.
we will take what is
Question
that?
mark.
A.
Question
A
mark.
is big.
Yeah.
A is
colon.
big.
Now A is big. A
Yeah,
is what is that? Big. Else what is that? Else block. This one is what
B
is
is
that?
bigger. B is bigger.
B is what is that? Big.
B is big.
Simple.
Yes.
How much it's making the simple our life now, guys? Ternary operator. Now compile it. Now run it. B is big, right? We are getting the correct answer or not?
Yes, right
Yes, Ravi.
answer.
B
Yes,
is
Ravi.
big. Now what is that? Let's make this one as a 20 and let's make this one as a 10. Let's make this one as a 10. Now compile it.
A is big.
Now A is big, but the problem is now I'm taking 20-20. Both I'm taking 20-20. Now compile it.
B is bigger. Will come. Answer.
Then compile it. What is the answer now, guys? This is the correct answer or right answer or wrong answer?
Wrong answer.
Wrong answer.
Wrong answer.
Wrong answer, right? So how we will handle this kind of scenario using ternary operator? Possibility is there or not?
No, not there.
No, Ravi.
Not there. Not possible.
Not possible. See, this is called logic, guys. Okay, so here we are
In
doing,
else.
doing the big things, right? Doing the big things is not. Again and again I'm saying that, guys, fundamental never change. If you are good in the fundamental, if you are good in the basic things, you can, what is that? Any programming language, any framework, if you getting in the fraction of second, you guys can able to do the work in that fraction. What is that? In that framework or any programming or any language. See, so try to understand basic things in any programming language, guys. Any programming rules and the regulation, working functionality is every programming language. What is that? Rules, regulation, functionality is same. Just syntax is changed, guys. Just syntax only changed, right? Now, so now simple. How we will check the condition now, guys? How we will check the condition? Now we will take it, right? So A greater than B now. Now we are getting here, what is that? A is big, right? Come on. Means what is that? If this one is becoming true, then this block is executing now, guys. Come on.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Now here
Yes.
what we will do it now? Now again in here in this condition only, what we will do it now? Now here again we will check what is that, we will check b greater than a, b greater than a and question mark means what is that, if this condition is becoming true then this block. Now if this condition is becoming false then here control will come or not, guys? Come on, then control will come here na.
Yes, yes, Ravi.
Right now if this condition is becoming true then this block will execute. If this condition is becoming false then what is that, again we will take what is that, now both are same na, both are
Yes.
same 2020, then we will give what is that, both are same, both are same. Now compile it, guys. Our problem is resolved or not? Now what we are getting now, guys, what we are getting the result now?
Both are same.
Both are
Both
same.
are same.
Both are same, right? Both are same now. So this is the working functionality of what? Ternary operator, guys. This is the working functionality of what is that? Ternary operator. Like that logical things will come, guys. Always focus on the big things, guys. Always focus on the big things like Google, Amazon, cracking these kind of interview. How long you guys will work in the service-based company? They will make our life as a what? Dog. Sometime here, sometime there, sometime there, right? So try to crack our what is that job, make every time your target as a product based company, guys. So if you want what is that, in the product based company, they will not focus on what is that framework level, they will focus first what is that programming level only. If your programming or core level is good, then they will hire you, right? So
Yes, Ravi.
so that is the reason, guys. Every time I'm like saying that please respond it, please. If you guys are not opening your mouth here by sitting in interview, right? Whenever the interviewer will ask the question, there you guys will become fail. So try to habituate here itself only. That is the reason every time I'm saying that open your mouth, right? Wrong answer also, right? Product based company, how to know? How I can tell? Product based company, whose company having own product, that company is called what is that? Product based company, right? Like you can tell what is that, we are the Java developer now, and Java virtual machine is nothing but JVM. Who is developing now? Oracle. Previous son was there, but now which company now managing that what? Java application? Oracle only, right?
Yes.
And Oracle is the product with which company? Oracle. So if you are cracking the interview of Oracle, that Oracle company is what? Product based company. Because Oracle having multiple products. Oracle database also there. Oracle what? Oracle our Java also there, as well as so many things, guys. VMware also, Oracle VMware also there. Those software is there in the market, right? Those product, right? Those product is what? Who's the managing those product? And Oracle company. So that products is Oracle company's product, right? So that company is what? Product based company. Service based company means what? They have multiple clients, they are giving our resources to them, they are working for the other companies or other project, right? Service based company won't have our own project. They are always working in the different clients or different company projects. So that is what called service. Service is nothing but what, guys? Giving the services to our resources. Sorry, is nothing but clients. That company is called service based company. Which company having our own product, and they are hiring to person, and they are working on those those project, that company is called what? Product based company. That is the difference. now let's start our next statement, guys. Let's start our what? Next statement. Let's start our next statement. Now we completed what is that if else condition, guys. That is statement, and we completed ternary operator related things also. Now let's enter inside that what switch statement. Let's enter inside that what is that switch statement. But before that, how I can present front of you guys, I want to make switch statement as a too much easy. Okay, so first I'm writing one note, guys. First I'm writing one note. I will try to make too much layman word. I will make that what switch statement in the layman word. I will present front of you in the totally layman word as what switch statement, guys. Anyone can understand. Please focus on that. But before that, if select have what is that to check all condition, right? All condition until the given criteria is not satisfied, right? Satisfied. It is what is that? It is a burden for what is that compiler. Okay, guys. So but if just what is that what I'm doing now, if I write what is that one, I'm going to write one program. Based on that program I will explain it, guys. What is the issue with what if else condition, right? If that this kind of scenario is there, then we will select what is that switch statement. We will go inside that switch statement. But before that I will prove that as a practical, right? Then we will start our what is the switch statement, guys. But the thing is, by using the console based I cannot able to prove it. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to write what? I'm going to write TypeScript example. I'm going to write one TypeScript example, guys. I'm going to write one TypeScript example. Based on that, I will explain on that. Then we will move in the switch statement. Should I follow this? Sorry, can I follow this scenario?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so simple. First, what is that? I'm taking what is that? Normal only, guys. Where I'm taking what? Let's take how I can design the example. Okay, let's take a script. But here no. We need what is that HTML page, right? Now let's take a script. I taken what is that a script. Inside that I'm writing one function, guys. Let's take F1. One function I'm writing, right? Now under this function I'm calling from the outside. Now I'm calling from here. Now this is the function I'm calling it. Inside that what is that? Let's take one variable. Let's take one variable where x equal to, let's take first what is that 3, right? Let's take 3. Now I'm first checking the condition, guys. First condition, right? First condition. Now let's take x equal to 1. If x equal to 1, then print what on the browser? Document dot write. Right? Now let's write what is that 1, right? Now here let's take else if. I'm taking what? Else if. Now inside that again let's check the condition. Let's take x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Now copy this one and paste it and make this one as a 2. Make this one as a 2. Copy this one and paste it. Now make this one as a 3. Right? 3. Now here what is that? Else block. Take else block. Now in this else block, let's take what is that? Copy this one and paste it, and here write the message. Write the message. Write the message. What is the message? Please enter. Please enter between. Please enter between what is that? 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Right? 1 to 3 now. Okay, so till now we need, if that end user is entering what? 4, then this message we will get. This message we will get. But the thing is, some problem is there. Now what I'm doing now, I'm running this one now. Let's run this example. Live server. I'm running this one on the browser, guys. Okay, I'm running this one on the browser now. Now we are getting the 3 now. Come on, guys, we are getting the 3 or not?
Yes.
Because here we taken what? We taken 3, right?
Yes.
Now here what
Yes,
we will do? Now let's inspect it. I'm inspecting this screen now, guys. Now come inside that sources. Come inside that sources. Now once if you come inside this resources, now here what is that? Click on that. See, index 1 is there now. Now see that resource file is coming, as well as beside that, what is that? Beside that one screen is coming, that is, and here what is that? Breakpoints things is coming or not? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Now I want to debug this example, guys. I want to debug this example. Now I'm putting that, what is that? Toggle. Toggle is nothing but breakpoint. See, if you remove that, what is that? There is no breakpoint, right? No breakpoint. If you click on here, double click. Now here what is that? If x equal to 1, we kept what is that? Breakpoint or not? Come on, it's showing or not, guys? Come on.
Showing.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Showing,
Showing.
right? Showing now. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm refreshing this browser again, guys. Let's refresh it. Now let's refresh it, right? Refresh it. Now screen is blank or not? Come on, here screen is blank now. Come on.
Yes. Blank.
Yes, it is blank.
Now because this is the browser screen, guys. This is the browser screen, and this is the inspected screen now, right? Now here what is that? Now see, still request is roaming now here. Come on.
Yes.
Now come here. Here breakpoint is there now. Stepping out. Stepping out means what is that? Next step. What I'm doing now, guys, just check it. See, our condition is, what is that? 3 na. Variable
X is
value is
also
3. Now
Yes. 3.
first condition it will check. First condition, x equal to 3. No, right? No means what is
Yes,
that?
no.
It will jump to next condition na.
Yes.
7th line.
Now I'm clicking. See, stepping out means what is that? X equal to, this condition is false. Now this condition, what is that? Again, x equal to 3. No, this condition is satisfied. No na. Are satisfied, guys?
Not satisfied.
Not satisfied. Now again, what is that? Again, next jump. Then control is jumping in what? Next else if na.
Yes.
Next else if na. Come
Yes.
on, guys.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
now if it is jumping on next else if, then what is that? Then again if you take in, then this condition is becoming true, and what? Control is entering inside that. Control is entering inside that block or not? Else if block. Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Now
Ravi.
it's entering now. After then what is that? After then what is that? Step out. Click on that and click on that. 3, we are getting the result or not? Come on.
Yes.
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 Now why I explained, guys, everyone, just what is that? For that condition, it's checking all condition. This is the burden or not?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Means what
Yes,
is
yes.
that?
It's
Is
a
the,
burden.
if just
Multi-check.
assume that, if just assume that thousands is checks is there, if else, then what is that? Every time our compiler is jumping, then if our compiler is finding right place, right block, then that compiler is what? Executing that block now. So means what is that? it reduce the performance of our application or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, yes. Every time, every block will check.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because every time it's a checking every block, right? It's a checking what is that every block, that is the right things or wrong things. Because of that, what is that, if we know that already 3, and what is that, but what is that, our compiler is checking every block. So if we are doing like that programming in that, just assume that here three scenario we taken, just assume that 1000 scenario is there, then how many blocks our control compiler will check? So many thousand line of what,
Thousand times.
Yes, yes.
thousands time it will check na.
Yes.
So it is the burden, it is the burden. So for that, what is that, for that, if we know this kind of scenario, then which one we will use, what is that, we will go to what, switch selector. Switch selector. If we are taking that, what is that, it will work, what is that, switch selector also working like if else condition only, guys. If else ladder, this is the, what is that, if else ladder na, come on. So like that only switch statement also working, but what is that, compared to this one, our switch block performance is more. Switch block performance is more now. Let's try to understand some things about that. Let's understand something about that switch statement, guys. See why I taken the TypeScript example, because here console based control, right? I'm able to, by debugging, I can able to, I can able to present now. So if I present like that, the people can understand easily whatever things I'm saying, that is the right or wrong.
Yes, easily understand.
Easily people got the point, right? But don't worry, I will take what is that switch. Okay, now only, right? Now only what I'm taking now, just simple. Later again I will explain those things. In this example, instead of taking this one, right, what I'm going to do now, guys, this is the message now. So remove this one, right? Remove this one. What is that? Let's take case 1. Let's take case 1, right? Case 1, I'm taking, what is that, case 1. I'm taking case 1. Oh, sorry, it's my mistake. How is it? Switch, right? We will take switch statement.
First switch condition.
Yeah, we will take switch condition, right? Inside that, we will take what? We will take expression na? We will take expression or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so we will take, what is that, X. We will take what? X. Now, inside that, what is that, simple? Let's take case. Let's take case 1, right? Case 1. Copy 1, 2, 3. Now let's take this one, and this case is 2 and this case is 3. Let's take this case is 3 now. And here, what is that? Here that, let's take document dot write. Inside that, let's take 1. Let's take 1. Copy this one and paste it and paste it. Now here, what we will take it now, guys? Here let's take 2. 2. Let's take 2. Now let's take 3. Let's take 3. Now here let's make this one as a break. Here also make this one as a break. Now here also break it, right? Now another one, we will take one default also.
Default. Yes.
Default, right? We will take, what is that, default, and inside that default we will give what, copy this one, paste it and make this one as a, that message is what, please, what is that, enter between 1 to 3, right? 1 to 3. Now, okay, compile and run same example now, guys. Same example now. Now in this time observe it. Now first refresh it. We are getting the 3, right? We are getting the 3 now, guys. Now inspect this screen now. Inspect this screen now. Now again come in the resources. Again come in the resources. Again put what? Again put our condition. Sorry. Again what is that? Put our what? Toggle point, right? Toggle point on what? Switch statement. Now refresh it. Now our browser is clean na? There is no data na, guys. Come on. Please
Yes,
respond.
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Now in the breakpoint, what is that? Our control is there on what? Switch statement. Now step it. Now next, our what is that? Directly from the switch, it's coming in the statement 3 or not, guys? Come on. Directly it's coming. It's not checking case
Yes,
1,
yes.
case 2, case 3.
Three.
Directly it's coming where now? In the statement 3 na? Come on.
Yes.
Now step it out.
Yes.
Now we are getting on the browser 3 na directly. So means what is that? Previously, if we are taking
Yes.
multiple
Yes.
if else condition, every time that is checking. But what is that? From switch statement directly, whatever statement is there, by taking that, what is that? Variable, right? It's coming directly on that point only. So that one will take more time or less time?
Less time.
Less time.
Less time.
So performance wise, which one
Less time.
multiple if else condition is more performance, giving more performance, or
Switch.
like switch?
Switch.
Switch.
Switch giving more
Switch is
Is
performance.
giving more performance.
Right? So practically I shown, right? Practically I shown that. But don't worry about that. We will understand those things as a practical also, guys. We will understand those things as a practical also. Now the same example, if I explain in the TypeScript, people cannot understand, because in the TypeScript we are dealing with what? We are dealing with what is that now, guys? We are dealing with console based programming. So there is no possibility to show that, right? So that is the reason I explained that one. Now let's take where a, let's take number, where a, let's take number, let's take number equal to 1, right? Number equal to 1. So first, what is that? This examples I wrote, right? If you want to write in the TypeScript like that, you can write it, guys. Write it. Now x equal to 1. If x equal to 1, then what is that? Console block. Sorry, a, right? This is the a. I'm writing x. Now console dot log. Now here 1. Here 1. Now else if a equal to 2. Sorry, this one is 1. This one is 2. Now copy this one, paste it. Now make this one as a 2. Copy this one, paste it. If else, make this one as a 3. 3 else block. Now console dot log, please enter between 1 to 3. 1 to 3, right? Compile it and run it. 1 is getting, because first one only. So this is, but what is that? This is the bad approach, guys. This is the bad approach. This is the example. This is the example, right? Example. Now next, what we need to do now? Now let's understand about something about what is that switch statement, guys. Let's understand something about what switch statement, how it's working, and something about what is that in interview related question also we will understand, right? So switch statement, Switch is used to, what is that? Used to control the flow of, what is that? How many people is there? Anyone is there from the electronic background, guys? EC background, electronic communication engineering. Don't worry, even though we studied in the, what is the 10th standard, also something is like a switch and all those things, electronic related things now. So
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
yeah, so based
Yes.
on
Yes,
that,
Ravi.
Yes.
see,
Yes.
even though we are writing example, a program, right, guys? So but that program is dealing with what? Electronic device only in our application. So based on that, whatever code, whatever things is there, right, those things we are controlling our electronic devices only. 0 and 1. 0 is nothing but off, 1 is nothing but electron is flowing, 0 is nothing but electron is off, right? So based on that one only, if little bit knowledge is there about that, what, electronics na, so you guys can catch up it, switch statement and all those things, right? So it's the flow of, what is that? Electrons. Electrons is nothing but electronic devices, guys. Electrons only flowing na in the devices, then that electronic devices is getting what? Energy, right? Energy is nothing but, what is that? Then only we can able to play the song, or anyone, even though we can, what is that? Cell phone also, whenever we are putting the battery in the cell phone, then only our cell phone is getting some energy to work. What is that? Connect with the network, connect with what? Another GPS, Google and all those things na. Right.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
So now,
Correct.
so what is that? What is the switch statement is doing now? Switch is, what is that switch? Why we are using the switch? It interrupts, right? Interrupts, what is that? Interrupts the flow of, what is that? Flow of electrons, right? Flow of electrons. And except that, what is that? What is the, how many types of our what? How many types of our switches, guys? How many types of switches? Switches are 100 types, guys. Okay, 100 types. But most of switches I'm giving, right? Now switches are classified into various types, right? What is that? Some examples I'm taking. What is that? Push button push button switch, push button switch. Another one is, what is a toggle 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 switch, toggle switch. Another one is, what is that? Joystick. Another one is what? Joystick. Joystick, right? Joystick. Another one is what? Another one is what is that? Selector switch. Multiple. If you search on the internet, what is that? In the 10th class or 12th class, even though 6th, 7th class also, it will switch and electrons and all those things is there, guys. There you can. So now if you want to understand that what is that, these things, now let's understand little bit as a diagrammatically now, guys. Let's understand those things as a diagrammatically now. So just assume that, guys. Okay, so this is our, what is that? Switch is there. This is, what is that? Our electrons flow cable is there. Our electrons flow cable is nothing but electronic flow cable, right? So here, what is that? Here we have, what is that? This is, here we are putting, what is that? One switch. Just assume that we are taking one switch. If we are taking this switch, right? If we are taking this switch now, if we are taking this switch, just assume that this is the switch. This is the switch now. This is the switch now. Now right to left, electron is flowing. Now here what is